Hi, hello, and welcome to Fishy Friday, a series on fish recipes. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for more videos. Let's get into the video. Today we're going to prepare a simple prawn 65. Now I've taken around 300 grams of prawns, cleaned and deveined. We will add salt for taste, half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of chicken 65 masala. Now I'm using a packed chicken 65 masala. If in case you want to make it at home, you can use chili powder and corn flour mixed together. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of lemon juice. Mix it well. And allow the prawn to marinate for 30 minutes. Now that the prawn has been marinating for 30 minutes, now it's time to fry the prawns. I have taken a fry pan and I'm adding some oil to it. Once the oil is warm, add the marinated prawn. Recommended is to fry those prawns in lower medium flame. We will fry this prawn in this oil for 4 minutes till the prawn gets cooked. Now that the prawns are cooked, we will remove from the oil. Your crispy prawn 65 is ready. Hope you love this video. Please like, share and subscribe my videos. Thank you for watching.